I've decided to go with a fairly simple way to do form work for our concrete piers. And what I've done is I've made a set of forms with the intention to 3D print them. So here are the forms, basically taking the form element and making a void out of it and subtracting it from the form block. This is done in the project editor. And so I've got these forms, and now all I have to do is print them. So I've gone and I've made views of each part of the form. I'm doing left and right portions of each form to make it easy to put them together. I'm anticipating tape them together, turn them upside down, place them on a board, maybe with some wax paper or plastic wrap underneath it so it won't stick to the board, and pouring plaster in it. Let it dry, untape it, and with any luck, I may be able to reuse the form because the plastic it's printed with, it won't bond to the plaster. So in order to make that, I just simply have to open up each view and export it as an STL file, like this. And I'm going to use ASCII format and medium resolution and feet and fractional inches, and tell it okay. And we'll put that in different folder. Let's put it in 3D print piers. Pier was 3D print formwork forms. And save it. I'll just go through and do that for each of these. Same thing. Export. STL. ASCII, medium, feet and fractional inches. The name is just fine, so save it. And then I'll load that into Prusa Slicer and set it up on the print table and print it off.